ओके, सो वी आर हियर राइट फॉर ऑयल स्पिल, है ना। ये मुझे संस्कृति ने बोला था राइट कि सर ऑयल स्पिल पे एक वीडियो बनता है, क्योंकि काफ़ी मेजर टॉपिक था, मेरे भी दिमाग में था। बट ठीक है, चलो सबसे पहले ऑयल स्पिल में आ जाते हैं, व्हाट एक्चुअली इट इज राइट। सो जब भी एक टैंकर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो शिप के फॉर्म पे, टैंकर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जो है, बंकर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर शिप के साथ इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर्स में, इंटरनेशनल ओशंस में ट्रैवल कर रहा है, सी में ट्रैवल कर रहा है राइट, और बाय एनी मीन्स एक्सीडेंटली और मैन मेड एरर और बाई एनी टाइम, बाई एनी वे, अगर वो टैंकर क्या हो जाता है, डैमेज हो जाता है, एंड दैट ऑयल इज स्पिल्ड राइट इन इंटरनेशनल waters, international oceans, that incident is known as oil spill. Apart from that, there are several places, industrial areas, where a large amount of oil is being used right, and by any means, by accidental or man made जो error होती हैं, if there is any kind of error and oil is being spilled, that is also a kind of oil spill right. And we are going to have a discussion of a Russian oil spill right, which occurred in nickel capital of Russia, and we are going to deal with Mauritius oil spill. Now what is the difference? This particular spill was associated with the diesel and this was with the crude oil right. ये basic difference है. Now come to the point, why this happened. I guess we have already covered this, why this is happening right. Now what are the impact, that is most important. Number one, ecology right. When oil is spilled over water, that means it is going to block the sun rays right, number one. Number two, it is going to play a major role on density change of water, that will definitely lead certain bad circumstances for the fauna counterpart and flora counterpart of oceanic marine life right. Third, it is going to have impact on birds right, because there are several seabirds that are dependent on fishes and other particular creature marine life right. So it is going to have several impact on ecology as well as economy. Yes, why economy? Number one, think about it. The Blue Bay Marine Park, which is also a tourist attraction for Mauritius and international tourism, right? And the oil is being spilled over there. Now, they're going to clean it, right? So, number one, money will be spent on cleaning. Number two, the tourism, due to which Mauritius acquire large amount of foreign currency and money, right? It will have a huge impact on that, right? So, impacts ecological and economical hote hain. Secondary, now we are going to discuss who takes responsibilities of these kind of oil spill. If this is private, like whatever happened in Russia, right, Russians are sole responsible for this. But if it is happening in international oceans or international water, right, then there is a convention accepted by International Maritime Organization, right, which is known as Bunker Convention in 2008, which says, right, the sole responsibility for that incident is on the owner of that bunker. So if a Mauritius Blue Bay Marine Park is having oil spill with a Japanese ship, right, known as MV Wakashio, right, then this particular company in Japan is solely responsible for this, because this is their error. Now what exactly is somewhere harming Mauritius oil spill, right? This Blue Bay Marine Park is an environment sensitive zone, right? It is having a very unique maritime ecology, right? Several birds, several turtles, several different fishes and flora associated with this maritime park, right? Marine park is under the endangered species terminology, right? So if something like this is happening in that particular marine park, that means it is going to have huge impact on that particular already endangered place and conserve area, right? Number two, this particular Blue Bay Marine Park is also under the criteria of wetland conservation under Ramsar Convention, right? Why Ramsar Convention is being discussed here, right? Number one, in this particular year 2020, there are 10 more sites, right, under Ramsar Convention is being recognized in India, right, by Ramsar Convention. Now, Ramsar Convention is associated with the conservation of wetland. Wetlands are those places which are having unique biodiversity and ecology, and that is a very sensitive actually. Right, a slight change in climate or human activity may lead a kind of complete change in that particular area. Right, so we need to protect that. Wetlands are associated with the mangroves, flora, fauna, and different one. Right, similarly, the Blue Bay Marine Park. Right, now homework is how many Ramsar Convention wetland conservation sites are there in India. Right, if the passage is coming for Mauritius oil spill, then definitely they will mention this particular site was under Ramsar Convention, and they can ask how many sites are there in India. As we said, why Ramsar Convention is important, because in this year 10 more sites is being added under this convention India ke liye. This convention was started in 1971, right, adopted in 1975. Internationally, approximately 90+% of members of United Nations recognize this convention. Now, what is Ramsar Convention? Ramsar stands for a city in Iran, right? Convention is associated with the conservation of wetlands, right? Now, this was Mauritius oil spill, right? Now, talking about Russian oil spill. Now, Russian oil spill happened in a city, right, known as Norilsk city, right? Don't ask me to pronunciate a Russian city very properly, right? I can pronounce it in English or Hindi, right? Even Bundeli, even Bhopali, you know, Amakha, right? But I cannot pronunciate this Russian name. They are very complicated, but that is why I'm writing it, you know, in a very sophisticated manner so that you can understand, right? Now, this is known as nickel capital of Russia, and for your kind of information, this is already very polluted place, right? One of the NATO's document is mentioning this and City 40 of Russia, right? This is one of the most polluted place on earth, and City 40 is directly known as graveyard on earth, right? Why graveyard on earth? This is Russia's largest nuclear fuel extraction site, right? And that waste is directly spilled over water, land, and air. And the contamination of radiation is 5 or 6 times more than the harmful level, right? That's why it is known as graveyard on earth. And for your kind of information, 1 lakh people live here, right? So this was already a very polluted place, and they needed diesel to run that entire nickel plant, right? But what happened? One of the pillar of that diesel tank got sink and the oil gets spilled. It is said that 20,000 gallons of diesel is being spilled. Now, understand, this is in Krasnoyarsk region, right? Again, Russian name, and it is associated, it is situated near the Ambania River, right? Which is again associated with Pyasino region, which is a lake and a river, which is going to meet Kara Sea in Arctic region, right? So understand one thing: the city is associated with the region that is known as Krasnoyarsk, whatever it is, right? And this is associated with a river, which is a major river. Its tributary is a Pyasino river, which is also a lake from where the river is being started, right? And that is going to meet Kara Sea, and Kara Sea is a special region in Arctic Ocean, right? So if oil is being spilled here, it is going to meet ultimately into the Arctic region, which is undoubtedly having a very unique biodiversity ecological system on earth, right? So that is going to harm this region. Definitely same thing, they both are going to do same thing, right? They are going to face impact, and they are going to clean it. Now, cleaning an oil spill is based on how the oil or what kind of oil is being spilled. This is crude oil. Easy nahi hai clean karne ke liye, right? Why? Because this is raw material, and this is going to react with the water, right? Sunlight will affect them, right? So isko clean karna, this kind of crude oil cleaning is costly. Diesel is easy to clean, but this is also kind of having more toxic effect because it is a refined version actually, right? So whether it is easy to clean or not, but they will have their impacts, that is for sure. Now, I'm not going to discuss the method of cleaning. We are putting bump stick, we are putting this, we are putting this, we are putting the density cleaner and these things. That is not going to be asked in the examination, and you're not preparing for UPSC. You are associated with the CLAT, stay with the CLAT, right? Now, come to the important point. When it is Mauritius one, remember the name of the ship and the country that ship is associated, right? Why this area is important? Because it's an environment sensitive zone. It's a site recognized under Ramsar site, Ramsar Convention, right? Now, Ramsar Convention is having one more record-making system, that is Montreux record makings, right? Now, Montreux records are those records of those sites under Ramsar Convention, which are very sensitive and they are going through ecological change, or the human activity, right, is making sure that they are going to have an ecological change very soon, right? And for your kind information, there were 3 particular sites under this, but 2 of them are now, right, away from that, out of it. Good thing, right? Now, question: how many sites are there in India, Ramsar Convention and under the Ramsar Convention, right? And this Bunker Convention 2008, and for this city, what it is called, right? What region, what river, or what lake, or what is the sea, right? These are the important facts, these are the important point which you are going to write down in your notes, so that you can have proper factual information on which the question is going to be asked, right? I hope you get it, and you are welcome with new suggestions, right? The way Sanskriti gave me about it. We were discussing this, that this is important because environment concern from last 1 year is being in peak, right? My director was saying this, that we should discuss more about the environment. So we had this in our list, bucket list. We are going to make video on this, right? But thanks to Sanskriti, you are getting these, right? And suggestions are welcome. If you are not having any idea, or if you are not getting proper information on any topic, you can ask, right? You understand this? Good, genius.